Go.
Okay, so good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm the last presenter of sa module 3. Module 3 na ngayon. Okay, my topic is all about entrepreneurship applications and future trends in fish product packaging. Subtopic: sustainable seafood packaging, smart monitoring technology, and eco-friendly preservation and innovation. Okay, introduction. Please read it in chorus.
The seafood industry is evolving through digital traceability and environmental sustainability. Packaging is the most critical factor for maintaining fish freshness and business success.
Focus is shifting toward blue economy solutions that protect marine plants. Significant opportunities exist for small-scale local fishing.
Okay, so Mr. Lambot, do you have any idea? Do you have any idea of what is blue economy? Okay, Mr. Biano, do you have any idea what is blue economy?
Blue economy.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, so blue economy means the economy is blue. Pero kaya siya protecting oceans while earning income. So nasabi ninyo na kanang bisan pa o kanang naka-income ka or nakay mga profit o kanang kapatid hapon ka sa marine life. Yes. So business opportunities using technology. Smart cold chain packaging. So may mga example ani smart cold chain packaging is aton. Do you have any idea? Sa mga example? Okay, kanang mag-deliver bitaw kanang mga datong mga truck. So may pangbutangan nila sa mga fish product. Oh, styrofoam na mga dagko. Oh, nasa. Yes. And antimicrobial films. Dili na sila itong chitosan film. Ako sa research kayo na pero dili na ako siya masabtan. Kinabitaw para ano siya kanang kuha ka na sa margarine. Di ba na isa babawaan niya? Nga na siya pero dili gini nga na ha. Nga na siya kagalit. Pag-protect para dili ma-contaminate of another microbial organism of product. And e-commerce, import feeds, and digital branding. Okay, so digital branding kailangan mag-posting and sa online lang ilang pagbaligya. Next is sustainability and innovations and preservation. Kindly read it in chorus.
Biodegradable containers moving away from styrofoam alternatives. Reusable ice systems replacing single-use plastic ice bottles. Reduce plastic micro-packaging, eliminating small plastic ties and rocks in favor of natural fibers. Chitosan coatings. Use different shells to create natural protective edible coatings for fish.
Okay, so sustainability and innovations in preservation. So, in simple terms, this is ang mga packaging na gigamit para nga ma-sustain ang dili na bitaw ka more o dependable sa plastics para nga eco-friendly kibalis siya nga mga packaging. So, here are the examples of fish packaging innovations. So, seaweed wraps, edible or biodegradable seaweed-based films for dried fish products. Mushroom-based coolers, compostable styrofoam made from mycelium for long-distance transport. So, nanadali nga ng compostable styrofoam. Vacuum-sealed skin packs, minimalist plastic use that provides a clear view of product quality. And the modified atmosphere packaging using safe gases to keep fish looking fresh without chemicals. Okay, so local product ideas. ana. Katapitang, kung ano mga prutas? Oh yes, kanang basket. Ano siya bamboo frames. And abaca fiber insulators, high-strength liners for exported seafood boxes. Coconut husk coolers utilizing local agricultural waste for thermal insulation. And banana leaf safety bags. So, nana na siya no. Traditional eco-friendly packaging for ready-to-eat fish meals. So, steel. Kanasidya. Abaca fiber, ano siya, for heavy-duty fish transport trays. And kanya coco, ano? Ito ngayon na gani? Oh, coconut husk. Kana siya, maintenance sa coconut husk. Diba yung gani mostly sa mga kanang labi na lang sa gani? Ng mga barko gani? Mga ganang transport, oh. Diba yung gani yung pangbutangan? Tapos kanina yun. Banana leaf wraps for example. So, cost and visibility. Related chorus class.
Startup costs. Low leverage, especially when utilizing local agricultural byproducts. Material sourcing. High availability of bamboo, coconut, and seaweed in the Philippines. Market demand. Growing local and international preference for sustainability and catch fish.
So, paano siya kayo ka na advantage siya kayo labi na sa kanang bitaw na yung mga business man na kanang bago pa bitaw sila magsugod sa ilang business labi na of fish product ang ilang mga business. Kaya kung ano siya kanang dili kayo siya expensive nga mga materials. Tungod kayo makita na siya sa palibot na to. And sa market demand, syempre ang mga tao po karon, di ba sa market, dili na pwede mag-cellophane. Ang ilang galing dito is mga kanang paper, ano na? Paper. Eco bag karon, eco bag. Tapos, pero sa una, katong wala pa ng eco bag kay katong paper, ano na? Paper bag. Dili ka na. Sugod. Paper bag ang gamit, di ba? Magreklamo sila kasi magbasa nila ang mga paper bag. Muna lang, muragyanan na usang eco bag o katong yes. Tapos ko itong net bag, di ba? And conclusion, sustainability is the primary driver of the future seafood business. Innovations in fish packaging create new niche markets for entrepreneurs. Using local resources like abaca and coconut can lower costs and help the environment.